in north central Texas, northern Tarrant County in north central Texas, Cook County in north central Texas, until 11:15 a.m. At 9:13 a.m., Doppler radar indicated an area of thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Training of thunderstorms containing the heavy rainfall will continue through late morning. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Fort Worth, Arlington, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Alton City, Keller, Hearst, South Lake, Watauga, Colleyville, Corinth, Saginaw, White Settlement, Gainesville, Highland Village, and Hazel. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most